Sai Ram children, let us continue with our chapter number 8, measurement. Children, today we are going to learn a new topic which is weight. Now children, what is weight? Normally we understand weight with the words like heavier or lighter, right? Whether a thing is heavy or it is light, we understand or we relate it to weight, correct? Or we can say that weight means how heavy or light an object is. Now children, look at this example. Here we can see it's a vegetable shop, okay, and I need to buy some potatoes. So what I will do, like I will go and I'll say I want potatoes, but the vegetable vendor will say how much potato do you want, correct? So for that we need to measure potatoes, right? Now potatoes can be measured with the help of some metal weights that is available at any vegetable shop, correct? Or where you measure things. Now here you can see this black things which is a metal weight, okay, which is equal to some kgs or some grams. That I will let you know. Now children, how do we measure? On one side we keep our metal weight, and on the other side we keep the potatoes, and then we weigh them, correct? Now here you can see this is a weighing machine, okay? Now in some vegetable shops we have like this weighing machine. So in some shops we have a digital or an electronic weighing machine. Here you can see we don't use the metal weights. Here directly the weight is written in or it is digitalized, okay? We just keep the potatoes or whatever you need to weigh, and the weight will be shown. Now children, a light object is measured in grams while a heavy object is measured in kilograms. Children, grams and kilograms are the two units of weight. Now weight is measured in grams or in kilograms, okay? 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilograms, okay? Or we can say 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now if you have 1000 grams, okay, then it will be equal to 1 kg or 1 kilograms. Children, in length, okay, how we had meter, centimeter and kilometer, correct? Here in weight we have grams and kilograms, okay? So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, or 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilograms. Children, now grams is a smaller unit and kilograms is a bigger unit, but 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilograms, okay? Now children, here are few of the weights which is given in your textbook. See here, 50 grams, 100 grams, 250 grams, 500 grams, okay? Then we have 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg and so on, okay? Children, today we are going to learn conversion of kilograms into grams. For the conversion, okay, from bigger unit to smaller unit, always remember we have to multiply by 1000. From bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply by 1000, okay? So 1 kg is equal to, how we get 1000 grams? In this manner. See, 1 kg or kilograms is equal to 1, this 1 from the question, multiplied by 1000. You multiply it by 1000, and 1 into 1000 is 1000 grams, okay? So like 1 kg is 1000 grams, 2 kg will be 2 into 1000 grams, which is 2 into 1000 is 2000 grams. Like that 3 kg will be 3000 grams. Children, here we have 7 kg. Okay, 7 kg is equal to 7 into 1000 grams. We are multiplying by 1000. 7 into 1000 is 7000 grams. Okay, 19 kg will be 19 into 1000 grams, which is 19,000 grams. Got it, children? Children, now look at this example. Here, the question is given in kg and grams. Okay, and we have to convert into grams. How we are going to do? The technique is same. Okay, how we have done for length, the conversion like that only, but it is in kg and grams. So the question is, Sid bought 5 kg 450 grams of rice, okay, from a departmental store. How much is the weight of rice in grams? Now here he bought 5 kg and there was a few more grains of rice was there, which weight was 450 grams. Okay, and we want everything to be converted into grams. So how we are going to do it? So children, let us solve it. Okay, first we will write what is given to us. What is given? That Sid bought 5 kg and 450 grams of rice. Correct? So 5 kg and 450 grams of rice. Now we have to convert everything into grams. Correct? Now here one part is already in grams, 450. So that we will not touch. First we are going to convert only this 5 kg. Got it? So let us convert. We know the formula. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Correct? So 5 kg will be or is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 grams. Correct? So it is 5000 grams. Now children, we have converted this 5 kg. Okay. Now we are going to add the rest of grams. Let us write the question again. 5 kg 450 grams is equal to, okay, 5 kg will be 5000 grams plus, okay, this we have replaced. The 5 kg that we got 5000 grams we have replaced, plus what is here left? 450 grams. Now we are going to add both of them. 5000 plus 450 is 5450 grams. Okay children, so that means 5 kg 450 grams is equal to 5450 grams. This is how we have converted. See children, the same thing. Okay, I have written it properly. 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000 grams, which is 5000 grams. Okay, after that we have to replace 5 kg into grams, 5000 grams, plus we have to add the remaining 450 grams and we will get our answer. Okay children, next let us see how to convert grams into kilograms. Okay, now grams is a smaller unit, kilograms is a bigger unit. For conversion from smaller to bigger unit, we always divide by 1000. Children, this concept is same for all the units. Okay, length or weight or capacity, it is same. So from grams to kilograms, we have to divide by 1000. We can convert grams into kilograms by dividing it by 1000. Children, look at this example. We have here 5000 grams, okay, and we have to convert it into kg, that is kilograms. How we will convert? We are going to convert by dividing it by 1000. How we will do? 5000 grams is equal to 5,000 divided by 1,000 kilograms. Okay, so this is we are dividing here. Now division, children, you can normally do the division or you can use cancellation method. Cancel the zeros in both the sides. Okay, here 1 0 cut, here 1 0 cut, this side 1 0 cut, here also 1 0 cut, here one more 0 is there, that also we will cut. What is remaining? 5 divided by 1. Okay, children, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5, correct? So it is 5 kgs. Okay, so 5,000 grams is equal to 5 kgs. See here. Okay, now the same way, if you want to convert 15,000 grams into kilograms, how we will do? By dividing it by 1,000. Okay, so you can just cancel the number of zeros here for division, and we will get 15 divided by 1, which is equal to 15 kg. Okay. Now children, this is a different type of question where we have a bigger number. Convert 1,879 grams into kilograms and grams. We have to convert this full grams into kilograms and grams. Okay, so how we are going to solve this type of questions? Let us see. Children, the first step is to expand the numbers. Now expanding numbers is always as per the formula. Okay, like it is 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams. We have 1,000, correct? So expanding here will be in thousands place. In 1,879. Which number is in 1,000? Number 1, correct? So we are going to expand it like this. 1,000. 1 in thousands place is 1,000, correct? 1,000 gram plus. Now whatever is remaining here, that we are going to write. Plus 879 grams. This is how we are going to expand. So the first step is to expand the number. Okay, 1,000 gram plus 879 grams. After that, we will take this 1,000 grams, okay, and that we are going to convert into kilograms. We know 1,000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, correct? So we will write the expanded form here, correct? 1,000 grams plus 879 grams is equal to 1,000 grams is 1 kg plus 879 grams. Now this we cannot convert because it is less than 1,000. So we will leave as it is and we will get our answer, which is 1 kg and 879 grams. Got it, children? So children, this much only. Okay. In our next class, we will do our exercise. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.